Hey guys, Bobcat here again. Yep, we're on another job. Same type of thing from the last job I showed you guys. Doing some land clearing along the fence line of somebody's property. And it was close to the last job, so I got to use the same machine here, the PC-28 Komatsu. Mini excavator is perfect. All the way down the fence line. Just this side. That's all he wanted. Just a lot of pricker bushes and shrubs. Some small little stumps like that. So I went through first with the chainsaw. I grabbed one of my huskies and I did some limbing, cut some of those down. There was a lot hanging off of the fence up there, so I just reached up and cut them and just got everything prepped and ready. And I did one full blade width all the way down so far, and down in the back he's got an area that we can get rid of it from, so that works out. You know, obviously the trees are gonna stay, but just cleaning down around everything so he could plant some grass in here, some good soil underneath all this. But yeah, when if he didn't do it now, he's been wanting to do this for a few years. But yeah, these pricker bushes, it's wild. He showed me pictures when it grows, you know, springtime, which is now, into the summer. It basically, you know, I'm clearing probably, I don't know, 10-12 feet out from the fence. But when it's fully bloomed, all these shrubs and pricker bushes, it comes out like, you know, 20-30 feet out. Like it overhangs onto his lawn here. Like there's the edge, and then it comes, like he loses some of his lawn. It's crazy. I was like, yeah, that's actually what happened to the other neighbor that I just cleared out. So yep, just gonna do some blade in here. And like, this was a pile of firewood, unbelievable. It was a pile of firewood, and I didn't think it was this bad, but I just touch it with the bucket and it was like mush. Turned into mush. Crazy. Yeah, let's see here. All right. I'm gonna set you up on the mount. GoPro here, up here. Oh, where's that little? Oh, I got it. This piece here. Thought I lost it. got like 3 more of these little ones to pop out. and then I'll start pushing. Make sure this is all right here. Make sure you can see the blade. This machine. You could do pushing like a dozer, digging, everything. You get a lot done with one of these. yeah, I just wanted to make a little video of today's project. Now I'm just gonna go back and forth a couple times, claw some, you know, scrape some of that with the bucket, pop it up, some of the pricker bushes, get it out by the roots, and then just keep pushing down here, and I'll get it all consolidated down here. And then he's got an area just over the edge over here. We're gonna just push it right in, but it's working out good. So, not bad. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribing, and see you on another video.